So you want to buy crypto and you don't have an account. The problem you might have when you want to create an account is verification. You might not have the required ID, which makes what you can do limited. What if I show you how to deal with this? This video is on how to create a cryptocurrency account, verify it, and buy or sell crypto step by step from Nigeria or anywhere in the world. I'm going to be detailed so you don't miss anything. If you are already buying crypto, you might not need this video, but you can always refer someone getting started to this video. I will also be dropping info on how to build wealth in crypto at the end of this video. You don't want to miss that. Let's get started. The steps here include you choose a cryptocurrency exchange and sign up. Then you verify your accounts. I'll also show you how to receive and send cryptocurrency, how to buy or sell cryptocurrency, how to trade crypto, and how to save your cryptocurrency to receive interest. Let's start with the first. The exchange we'll be using here is Bybit. So go to bybit.com to create an account or use the link I will drop in the description to do so. When you use that link, it ensures that you are visiting the right sites and you're also supporting this channel. Enter your email address and password of your choice. It should be at least 8 characters long and a combination of lowercase, uppercase, and number. Then click on create an account. Get the code sent to your email and enter it here. Great. Now you have signed up. The next thing is verification. To do that, go to the Google Play Store or App Store and download the Bybit app, depending on the phone you are using. Open it, click on login, and enter the email and password you used to create the account. And click on continue. Click on the head and shoulder icon at the top left corner. Then you see that your identity verification is unverified. Click on it. Then click on verify now. Select your country. Now these are options for verification: ID card, passport, driver's license, resident permits, and BVN. If you don't have all this ID card, you can just select BVN. I'll click on BVN. You can easily get BVN from your bank. As a matter of fact, you can have a bank account in Nigeria without BVN. Click on next. Click continue, tap Nigeria. You see T in here, this is actually your BVN. So what you enter here is your BVN. Then enter your last name, that is your surname, as it is on your BVN. Now it's time for you to take a selfie. Since I'm already verified, I'll be using someone to do this verification. You can see now that the verification status is successfully completed. If you go back to verification here, you will see that our verification status is now level 1 verified, which will allow us to trade and buy cryptocurrency on Bybit. This is easy, right? Note that Bybit or anyone cannot use your BVN to gain access to your bank account. It is totally safe to use your BVN for verification. Let's look at how to send and receive crypto on Bybit. To do this is really simple. You see the bottom menu here, you have home, market, derivative, trade, and asset. If I click on asset, these are my crypto account. You can see you have spot, derivative, USDC, funding, earn. So these are different accounts that I have on Bybit. I can deposit, withdraw, and transfer. To deposit crypto, I'll click on deposit here. So these are different cryptocurrency I can receive. I can just type on any one I want. Say I want to receive dots, I'll type dots. It will appear here. Say I want to receive USDT. I'll type it and I can click on USDT. So you can see here that I can receive USDT to this wallet address here. I can copy to send somebody or give somebody the QR code to send crypto to. Another thing here is the network here. So it is on Arbitrum 1. I can choose to receive USDT in BEP20, AVAX-C, ERC, Matic, or Omni network. So these are different networks. So when you want to receive cryptocurrency, you should make sure you give the person the address that correlates with the network you want to receive it into. Now, if you have crypto and you want to send crypto, you simply click on withdraw. Before you can withdraw, for the first time, you must have set up your two-factor authentication. This ensures that somebody cannot hack your account and steal your crypto. Bybit app will walk you through that. To withdraw, click on withdraw here. Still will have crypto, want to withdraw it. Then you select the crypto. Say I have Ethereum, I want to withdraw Ethereum. The same thing, I'll enter the address of the wallet I want to withdraw it to here. I'll also choose network, ERC, BEP20 and the rest. Then I'll enter the amount here and I'll click on this withdraw, it will be highlighted. The transfer you see here is to move your money from, say, spot account to derivative account, or from derivative to funding, just to move in between different accounts. So this is simply how you send and receive cryptocurrency on Bybit. So the next thing is, how do you buy or sell crypto with your fiat money? That is your naira, your dollar, or the currency of your country. So to do this on Bybit in Nigeria, we're going to use P2P. If in other countries, you can do with card. So we'll click on buy crypto here at the home page. Then we'll select P2P trading. In the P2P market, I can buy USDT, BTC, ETH, or USDC. Let's say I want to buy USDT of 20,000 naira. I enter the amount here. I click on confirm. It will then show me the list of those I can buy USDT from for that trade. So the first one has done 3,643 trades and the amount is 867. I click on buy. I enter the amount I want to buy again here, 20,000 naira. Then I click on buy. You can see that the quantity of USDT I will receive for 20,000 naira is $23. And I'm to pay 20,000 naira. I'll click on pay now. Then I'll pay to this account number and to this person here. I'll just copy the account number and pay right away. So I have made a transfer, so I'll click on payment completed. I'll then wait for this seller to release my coin to me. Now, I can always click on this message here to communicate with the seller. He says he's online and he gave me his number, so I can actually always communicate with him. He has confirmed my order. You can see order completed. So if I go back to assets section, you can see in my funding and I have $23.06. So this is how I buy crypto on Bybit. To sell it the same way, I'll go back towards my P2P order, go to the sell section and then sell the crypto and have the money back in my account. Now that I have the money here, I can actually go and trade with this money. Now, so this brings us to how to trade crypto. On Bybit, to trade crypto, I have to move this money in the funding to sports or derivative. I want to trade sports, so I'll click on transfer and click on transferring from funding to sports. And what I want to transfer is USDC. I want to transfer all of it. So it's transferred. So you can see that the money is now in my sports and not funding. To trade, I click on this trade and at the bottom menu here, say I want to trade BTC USDT. I want to buy BTC here and maybe sell later. If you click here at this chart here, you can see the charts, right? According to the charts, okay, this 15 minutes. If I go to the 1 hour chart, well, it has gone up. Maybe I should wait for it to come down to buy. So I can actually choose to buy, say at the bottom here. Let's say I feel this is going to return to about 20,000 or $20,029 or 20,000, say $20,100. So can I use my limit order? Say I want to buy at 20,100. Then I enter say I want to buy with all I have. I click on buy BTC. So this is me setting a limit order. So what I've done here is that when Bitcoin drops to 20,100, it will be bought, and I can come and set it to sell when it rises again. This is simply how to trade. All right, but if you want more details, I'll give you more information on how to do this continuously. This brings us to how to save in crypto. Now, if you have your money, like for example, the Naira price keeps going up and it's losing value. What if you can choose to actually put your money in USD on USDT so that the value of your Naira, your money now, does not lose value? But again, as you have it in USDT, you can actually save it to earn interest. To do this is simple. We'll go back to the home page, then you see this more here, we'll click on it and we'll click on Bybit savings here. Okay, let's say we have USDT, that USDT we'll put is not in a trade already. I can put USDT here. You can see I'm going to earn 10% APY. The bank in Nigeria gives about 4%, so this is more like putting my money in USDT and also earning 10% interest on it. So to do this, I can just click on, I can come to flexible. This first one is 30 days, this is 60 days, and this is flexible anytime. So I can just click on stick here, right? And enter the money I want to stick here and just click on stick. I've done a dedicated video on this. I'll leave it in the description. Now, if you are new to crypto, then congratulations. You now know how to perform basic actions on a centralized exchange. There is also decentralized exchanges, but that is a video for another day. Let me know if you want me to make that video in the comment section, then I'll go ahead and make it. The question now is, how do you build wealth in crypto? There are three things you need to know. One is crypto blockchain basics. What is it? Why is it created? How does it work? How can it be used? And what moves the market and so on. Two is how to invest in crypto. How do you conduct fundamentals? How do you know the coins to buy? How do you know how to fund them? Which one will do 10x? Which will do 50x or more? What are the risks involved? How do you divide your portfolio to minimize risks and maximize profits? How long should you invest for, and so on. Three is trading. How do you conduct technical analysis, understand candlesticks, perform actions to continuously buy low and sell high, and make profits? And where do you get trade signals that can just implement and make profit all the time? Now, I have been in this industry since 2016, gathering knowledge, and 100% of my earning since November of 2017 has been in crypto. From the unending requests from you guys here and through my email, I have organized an intense 3 days cryptocurrency blockchain masterclass to show you how to build wealth in crypto. I literally want to hold you by the hand and show you how to build wealth in crypto in 3 days. I'll leave a link in the description for you to register for that event. It is going to be a virtual event, which means that you can attend from anywhere you are in the world. But I can only attend to a few persons at a time, so registration will close once that number is reached. You might want to register now before it gets filled, if it is not filled already. The link again will be in the description. I'll see you in that class.